Welcome to Chile. We will be hosting APEC throughout 2019. Let us tell you some of what we have to share. To start, we have quite a bit in common with other economies. Chile has a long coastline. Chile has beautiful mountains and stunning lakes. Chile has numerous tourist attractions. Chile has cultural diversity. So then, what is it that makes us unique? Our people, our drive, our ability to achieve goals that seem impossible. Have you ever seen any territory completely rebuild itself just 4 years after an 8.8 earthquake? Where 33 miners were successfully rescued after being buried underground for 69 days? Is there any other example of a peaceful political transition reached entirely through the will of the people? We are wine, delighting thousands every day across the globe. We are fruit, present at tables on every continent. We are a reliable economy based on solid institutions and the largest network of trade agreements. We are an open window to the universe through which great discoveries are made. We are talent and creativity. We are generous and resilient people who work hard to get things right. But above all, we are a united nation, made up of people that never give up. This is what we want to share with you in 2019. On APEC's 30th anniversary, we proudly welcome its 21 member economies. Under the stars that bring us together, let us build the future. Welcome to APEC Chile 2019.